Okay, so there was a lot of ambition when I started doing this game originally, and there's a lot of love behind it. You're gonna see a lot of things I learned with the animation. I did do some stuff with Rakugo. Jebediah did help a little bit in the background towards the end, help me finish up for these 2 game jams. Okay, I will be submitting this game to the Tiger Game Jam 2, and I will be submitting this to the Godot Wild Jam, as those jams just happen to be parallel, and I've got themes close enough where this game, should be okay for both of those game jams. Like I said, there's a lot of heart. This is an unfinished project, so take it for what it is. I hope you find some enjoyment out of it, and I'm looking forward to your review and comments. That's right, this video is so bad, or this video game is so unfinished, that this is literally the game trailer. I should show more of the game, less of me, but it's that bad. It's not unfinished. I like it. I like it maybe a little too much. Catch you next one. Bye.